Whoa! I bet you'd like a plane ride.
Welcome to Air Woodpecker. This is Captain Woody speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts and make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Thank you.
Woody, are you sure you know how to fly this thing? Woody?
Yeah, of course. It's easy. All you have to do is, oh, wait. Here we go.
Woody, look out for the ducks! Woody, look out! Mountain!
That is it! I'm moving back to Florida!
Look out for those trees! Woody! Sheep!
Oh, sheep!
Woody, can't you stop this crazy plane?
Oh, here we go. Uh-oh.
Woody, will you please just stop and listen to me for a second?
Man, she's tough to buy for. What is it she wants for her birthday? Ooh, cake! Duh, everyone wants cake for their birthday.
Oh, my cake!
Huh? Winnie! Oh, Winnie! Ta-da! Happy birthday, Winnie. Here's your cake.
Ooh! Did someone say cake?
Whoa. Oops.
I've been trying to tell you all day. It's not my birthday, it's yours.
It's my birthday?
And I got us some tickets to the soccer finals.
Woo! What could be better than soccer tickets?
A cake! Ugh! Stupid loud neighbors!
So, tell me, Woody, what day is my birthday?
Your birthday?